The cash application process is the procedure businesses use to apply incoming payments to customer invoices and accounts. This is a crucial step in the accounts receivable process, ensuring accurate financial records and reducing outstanding receivables. Steps in the cash application process include payment collection, where customers make payments via various methods: bank transfers, checks, credit cards, or digital payment platforms. Next is payment data capture, where payment information is received from banks, lockboxes, or payment processors. This may include transaction details like payer name, amount, date, and reference numbers. Then comes invoice matching, where payments are matched against open invoices based on details like invoice numbers, amounts, or customer names. After that, deductions and adjustments are made, where businesses identify any short payments, overpayments, or deductions, such as early payment discounts or disputed amounts. Any discrepancies are noted, and appropriate actions are taken. Following this is posting payments, where payments are recorded in the accounting system or ERP software, and customer balances are updated accordingly. Finally, reconciliation and reporting occur, where the company reconciles payments with bank statements and updates financial reports to reflect the latest cash flow position. Best practices for efficient cash application include automation, using AI-driven tools or ERP software like SAP, Oracle, or QuickBooks to automate invoice matching, standardized remittance formats, requesting customers to provide structured remittance advice to simplify reconciliation, integration with banks and payment processors to speed up the process and reduce manual errors, regular audits and reconciliation to ensure financial accuracy and identify discrepancies early and clear. Communication with customers to encourage them to include invoice numbers and correct payment details. Would you like a workflow diagram or a script for automating this process in Python or an ERP system?